question for you, Skelley.
Yeah?
Do you know what cows produce other than milk?
Other than milk? I don't know, Shelley.
Well, they also make poop.
Poop? We can't talk about poop today.
Why not? Everybody poops. Kids, parents, even teachers.
Well, skeletons don't poop.
Okay, well, nearly everyone. Today, we're going to learn how poop from dairy cows helps the planet in something called a biodigester.
Digest? You mean like eat? Something is eating poop? Sorry about that, Shelley. I got a little hot under the collarbone. Whew.
That's okay. Anyway, biodigesters are used to recycle and reuse cow manure. That's what we call the cow poop. Would you like to see one?
I guess. Oh, it's just a dome.
It's what happens inside the dome that's really awesome. First, let's imagine that this is a dairy farm with hundreds of cows. Just imagine how much manure they're going to produce.
I'm trying not to.
Instead of leaving all of that manure inside the barn, the farmer transfers it to a biodigester. Let's pretend that this is our biodigester. And here is the manure. Once the manure gets inside the biodigester, the manure is heated up and small microscopic bacteria break down or eat away at that manure. This process is called anaerobic digestion. Once the bacteria do their work, they disappear, and that manure is turned into two different states of matter. There's a sludgy solid on the bottom called digestate and a gas called biogas.
That's it? How do they help the planet? Are you pulling my leg?
I'm not. Besides, last time I did that, your leg fell off.
Yeah.
Anyways, I wasn't finished. This process continues until the two states of matter turn into three. The gas is cleaned up and turns into methane gas. The digestate is separated into a liquid and a solid. Let's see what these three things are used for. The liquid is turned into fertilizer, which is sprayed onto the farmer's fields. It's a great way to put the nutrients back into the soil and help grow our crops. The solid is used in compost or as dry, sterilized bedding in the barn, which keeps the dairy cows comfortable and dry when they lie down. The methane gas is used to generate electricity and heat for the farm without using any fossil fuels.
A big help for the planet.
But not only that, any spare electricity is used to help power people's homes.
You know, Shelley, reusing manure isn't pretty, but it is pretty impressive.
It sure is, Skelley. You know what? We've learned a lot today.
Yeah, I'm pooped.
Maybe you can join us again next time. I hope that you can say you've learned something utterly fascinating. Bye.
Oh, it's old MacDonald, and he had a farm. Oh, there's his tractor. This is great.